I survived countless fitness fads that promised quick fixes but only left me frustrated and empty-handed. I spent far too much time and money on complex workouts and diet plans, searching for the ultimate solution to burn belly fat. But then, I saved myself from further disappointment by discovering a straightforward yet highly effective routine, a 15-minute walking workout. This simple change transformed my body and my mindset, and it can do the same for you. My journey, from overwhelmed to empowered. I built my success on a daily 15-minute walk, focusing on maximizing calorie burn and targeting belly fat. I got impressive results, both physically and mentally, and here's how I did it. Daily routine, how I made every minute count. Warm up 3 minutes. I started with a light, steady walk to prepare my muscles and joints. This warm-up was crucial for reducing the risk of injury and activating my core muscles. Power walk 10 minutes. I transitioned to a brisk pace, making sure to engage my abs with each step. To further enhance the calorie burn, I included intervals of faster walking and took advantage of any inclines. Adding these variations kept my routine dynamic and effective. Cooled down to minutes, I ended with a slow walk to gradually bring my heart rate down. This was followed by gentle stretching to promote recovery and flexibility, challenges and triumphs. Initially, I faced doubts about whether such a short workout could deliver meaningful results. I saved myself from giving up by reminding myself of the small progress I was making each day. Each improved fit of my clothes and every extra burst of energy was a victory. Over time, I built a solid routine, and the results were undeniable. I got leaner, with noticeable reductions in belly fat, and my overall fitness improved. Mentally, I felt more confident and energized, ready to tackle each day with renewed vigor. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Results and motivation. The changes in my body were remarkable. My belly fat decreased, and I gained a more toned and defined midsection. Mentally, the routine gave me a sense of achievement and boosted my mood. It proved that even a short, consistent effort could lead to significant improvements. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Embrace the power of a 15-minute walk. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your body and mind. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your fitness journey unfolds. You've got this. Take the first step and see the change.